Welcome to Next Level. Our mission is to provide financial and personal education that empowers you to take action. Today, we shall be talking about Financial Equation Part 1, how to increase your income. Income is perhaps the most important component of the financial equation. I call it the oil that runs the engine. There is limit to how much expenses you can cut, but there is no limit to the income you can generate. Before you can invest, save, cut expenses, or start a business, you must generate some income, however small. This is why I call it the oil that runs the engine. This is where your financial journey must begin. So let's look at 6 ways you can increase your income. Number 1, identify problems and provide solutions that can be monetized. Society rewards those who provide solutions to problems. Society, unfortunately, do not reward those who complain about problems. Life is too short to be complaining. What is it that people in your community, your colleagues in the office, or place of work complain about? This could be a lack of affordable accommodation, a lack of affordable transportation, or farmers struggling to move their produce to the market, or school children not having enough time with their parents due to workload. Whatever the case might be, pay attention to what people complain about in your environment and consider providing a solution. A monetized solution can increase your income. So number 1, identify problems, provide solution to that problem, and make sure you monetize your solution. Number 2, add value that can be monetized to society. If you want to increase your income, then ask yourself, what value am I adding to society? What value do you bring to your job? What value do you add to your employer? You may decide to add value to an existing product either by improving it and then increasing its efficiency, or by modifying the product so that it brings additional value to the end user. You can also add value to an existing service or bring in an entirely new service to the market. If, for example, as an employee, make yourself more valuable to your employer, go beyond the minimum and seek ways to become more valuable to your organization. Whatever the case may be, the bottom line is that whether you are self-employed or employed, or you run your own business, or you are the CEO of a large corporation, society rewards value. If you want to make more income, then increase the value you bring to society. Increase the value that you bring to your place of employment. Increase the value that you bring to your workplace. Number 3, leverage other people's time, OPT. The most scarce limited resource we all have is time. We all have 24 hours in a day, and as an individual, there is a limit to what you can achieve in 24 hours. This is where the concept of leveraging other people's time comes in. Instead of trying to do everything and exhausting yourself, consider bringing in other people with the right skills. You not only free up your time for more strategic things, you also can multiply what you can do and achieve within 24 hours. By multiplying what you achieve, you also increase your income and bottom line. This is why understanding how to leverage other people's time is very important in the financial equation. I call this the first golden rule of the multiplier effect, because OPT leads to OPS. OPS means other people's skills. So by leveraging other people's time, you are also leveraging their skills. The concept of OPS is less talked about in the financial literature, but it is fundamental to our financial journey. OPS means leveraging other people's skills. So we must learn to be able to leverage people with the right skills. Number 4, leverage other people's money, OPM. A very important aspect of increasing your income is learning how to leverage other people's money. Leveraging other people's money implies using other people's money to buy income-generating assets, or starting a cash-flowing business, or acquiring an existing cash-flowing business. I'm not talking of any asset or business. The key word here is income/cash-flowing asset or business. These assets or businesses must generate net income or cash flow. They must put money in your pocket after all the expenses have been deducted. At the same time, you should avoid using OPM, other people's money, for liability. Number 5, constantly improve yourself. Acquire useful education and critical skills. If you want to increase your income, then you must find ways to learn new skills, improve on your existing skill sets, acquire useful education. The important word here is that you should be learning on a daily basis. Learn about money, learn about entrepreneurship, learn about people, learn about relationship and networking. Acquiring new skills does not imply taking on a new degree. If that is what you want to do, then you can go for taking up a new degree. But the most important thing is whatever that allows you to acquire income-generating skills, then go for it. Number 6, invest in quality networks. Of all the ways to increase your income, perhaps the most important one is investing in quality network. Your network determines your net worth. Many people underestimate the importance of quality networking. I'm not just talking about collecting complimentary cards or business cards of people you meet in a conference or workshops, but I'm talking about genuinely being interested in the affairs of people in your network. The reason why I see investment in quality networks as the most important is that whether you want to change your job, move to a new location, or you want a contract or a new deal, the network you have will determine how far you can go. As we conclude this episode, here are 7 questions for you. Number 1, are you providing solutions to societal problems? Or are you part of those that complain about these problems? Number 2, what unique value do you bring to society, to your place of employment or business? How can you monetize the value you bring? Number 3, how can you leverage other people's time to increase efficiency and return? Number 4, how can you leverage other people's money to increase your income-generating, cash-flowing assets? Number 5, what new skills can you acquire to increase your income? Number 6, what kind of networks do you have? Number 7, do you invest enough time to nourish and grow your networks? If this video has been of value to you, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. We appreciate your time and we value you. Thank you.